this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to connect your Fastmail account to your Google Calendar. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Fastmail like you usually would. Then from here, you need to go up to the settings tab up here in the right hand corner. Then from here, you'll see this page right here. From here, you need to go down to setup and then calendars like so. Then from here, you can see my calendars, calendar groups, or calendar options. From here, you need to choose add account down here under my calendar and choose either Google, iCloud, or other CalDAV. Then from here, you need to sign in with the specific CalDAV. Then from here, you'll need to select an account and continue. Then from here, you can see possibly that Fastmail already have some access onto this specific Google account. Then from here, you just need to click continue like so. And as you can see now, it is verifying, and now there will pop in email saying that you are connected your Gmail account or Google Calendar to your Fastmail account. You can also click remove it down here if you want to do that, or you can sign in with another one if you want to do that. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!